Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to check out the whole video for this glam look, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the Lakme Absolute Blurred Perfect Primer. We'll apply this on our face. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. We'll apply this under our eyes in the triangle form, and then the areas we want to conceal or we have spots. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. We'll apply this on our face. Bronzer, one of my favorite products from H&M. We'll apply this under the cheekbones and the jawline, and don't forget the forehead because we need to also contour that. Now we'll apply blush to pink our cheeks a bit. Don't forget to smile while doing that. Gold palette. We'll take the brown shade for the crease. We'll apply the blue shade in the eyelid, but just remember that the blue shade should not go in the crease line. It should just be the eyelid. It's the matte liquid liner. This liner works like a pen, and this is really good for beginners. This is the black kajal from Blue Heaven. We'll apply under the eyes, only half. This is the lash color. But just don't forget to look down while curling your lashes. The lash powders mascara. Now we'll go with the eyebrows. We'll use the same palette. We'll go with black shade. Don't forget to follow the eyebrow shape. Broad lips, that's why I like to go with dark shades, that they make my lips look thinner. But if you guys have thin lips, then you should definitely go with nude shades or light pinks, that they make your look a bit fuller. If you guys like my glam look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.